Hello my beautiful friends, I am back and I am back with my Fab Fit Fun unboxing. And this, I got it, if I recall, like 3-4 days ago. So now that I'm unboxing everything, I said let me just see my stuff. And I am an annual subscriber of Fab Fit Fun, so I got to customize my whole box. So as you know, we get our Fab Fit Fun little booklet, and it says dreams come true. Okay, and it says how to create your winter haven. Okay, stay in your magic. Okay, I don't think I picked any makeup, not from here, not this time. Okay, sorry. Let's see what I picked up. I know if I recall, I picked up pretty amazing products. Okay, paper in the bag. Okay, it says, oh yes, I picked the dual salt and pepper mill. Yes. Got the batteries. Not a good start, but I always drop something. Just get the instruction booklet just in case, but my son could always figure things out. Okay. Oh, I love it. Oh, salt and pepper. You can put salt and pepper on each side. Like that. Okay. I really like this one. So you fill it, you put the batteries here, 4 batteries. Okay. And then how you fill it up with the, that's why you need the instructions. Press the button for salt and pepper. I'm gonna love this one. That's why I picked this one. Okay, that's for the batteries. How to fill it up with salt. Oh, the batteries go here. Oh, wow. See what happens when you... Okay, the batteries go here. And then here goes the salt, I think. Well, anyway, my son can read this for me because a half-blind person cannot figure this out by herself. Okay. See, once I did it the first time, now I can do it. Well, this was a great thing. Okay, clockwise. Hold the mill tightly and rotate the battery cover. Okay, my son could figure that out. And then we put the salt and pepper here. That'll be great. Okay, that was my choice. Then it was the salt and pepper. Okay. I should have had my phone so I could tell you. Okay. Then I picked up the TruffLuv. And this is the truffle mask infused with black truffle extract and Dove truffle mask. And this is for frizz. Fight frizz with this vitamin and exfoliant rich hair mask that smooth your strands and amp up its shine. Okay, so this is one of my choices. Okay. That's the Frizz TruffLuv Truffle Mask. Then I picked up the Herbivore Aquarius Pore Purifying Clarity Cream. Herbivore, where is that? Herbivore. Right here, clogged pores. Herbivore's Aquarius Pore Purifying Clarity Cream. I'm not going to open it because I have creams I'm already using, so. But it's a blue. Okay. So that's a Target Congested Pores with this lightweight fluffy moisturizer that contains deep cleaning beta hydroxy acids. And of course, it's not going to smell through the bottle. Okay, another great product. Then I picked up from the Pixi. They had the Pixi Clarity Tonic or the Pixi Fine Lines and the Pixi Irritation Pixi Rose Tonic. So I picked the Pixi Retinol Tonic. And it's the Retinol and Jasmine Flowers Soothing Toner. Skin Treats. Okay, the Pixi Rose Tonic Irritations. Retinol Tonic. Okay, this is for fine lines. Pixi Retinol Tonic. Gentle yet powerful. This toner targets itty bitty fine lines and dullness, imparting a healthy glow. Okay, so that's the Pixi. So definitely we'll be trying that out. Then I love this one. This was like, I needed to pick this one up because I love this one. This is like one of my best favorite ones out of all of them. When I saw this, this was like my first choice. I didn't care what was else in the choices. And this right here, where is it? Where's the makeup? They had the Too Faced Lip Injection or the Too Faced, where is it? They don't have it. They don't have it. Okay, let's see. I don't believe it. They got the lip injection, but they don't got the most important out of everything. Nope. So my choice was the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara right here. And this is like from Too Faced. This is my favorite, and I got it for free because of my subscription. So I definitely picked this up because I love this mascara. So, and I was gonna pick it up in Ulta, in Sephora, but this mascara is $20. So I say, you know what, I'd rather get it from Fab Fit Fun. So this was my choice. Okay, so the Better Than Sex mascara I picked up. Then another choice of mine was the they had let me see, another choice that I got. Let's see if I see it here. They had unhide offs. They had sweaters. They had like what is it? They had sandals. They had throws, and they had robes. And my choice was the Mersea fabric shaver resort anti. That's in another place. That's in another language. The fabric shaver. So, you know, when your sweaters, they start getting those little how do you call it, when it starts like shedding. So I picked up the shaver, and you can shave your sweaters. So I picked that up. And what I love about it, you don't need a battery. You can always charge it. So that's what I picked. You can always, like, let's see, I don't got anything here. And you can always shave your clothes. When you see a hair or whatever like sticking up, you can shave it instead of cutting it, and you don't damage your clothes. So I really like that. Okay, so those were all my choices, and that is my Fab Fit Fun box for the month of the winter season. I mean, that's not for the month, for the winter. My winter Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Okay, guys, so that is all I have for you for today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and I'll see you on my next giveaway, on my next video. Sorry. Okay, guys, so have a beautiful, blessed night. See you then. Bye.